Today we are going to download PowerBI desktop and install on the Windows 10. So visit microsoft.com. You can easily find this link by searching download PowerBI desktop and click the first link and you will get this page. Now click on download. Now the download is started and the download size is around 499 MB. So PowerBI desktop is downloaded and I will click the installer. Now the installer is started. Click next. It is preparing the installer. Click next. Accept the license agreement. If you want to read, just read it and click next. By default, it is installing into the program files /Microsoft/PowerBI desktop. Click next and click the install. So you can see the installer is now installing the PowerBI desktop x64-bit. It is validating the installation and now updating the component registration, copying new files. So PowerBI desktop is successfully installed on Windows 10 machine. Launch Microsoft PowerBI desktop and I will click finish. So PowerBI desktop is installed on my computer. So here we have different options to create the report. So I clicked on the create report. So this is a report and we have the option to import data from SQL Server, paste data into a blank table and use the existing data. So this is a report view here, and here this is a table view. When we load the data, it will show the different tables and we can explore the data, and in this view we can model the data, and here you can create the semantic model, and this is the window for creating the DAX query. So this is the filter. Then we have the different visualization, and these are the data sources. So in the next video, I will show you how you can create a sample report in PowerBI desktop. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.